there's no way I can go to New York and visit my babies. I don't have the funds. So
we are here on a case to add a child to the existing case to confirm arrears and modify support. We've had a temporary order in this case that has addressed all of the issues except for retroactive child support and the arrears. We do have an agreement today for a final order on everything except for one item. So I'll read the agreements into the record. We are adding the child Braden to the case. There has been no family violence between the parents in the last 2 years, and neither parent is requesting a non-disclosure. However, they do agree to an exchange location, a neutral exchange location at the Kylie Police Department. The parents are in agreement to be appointed as joint managing conservators, with mother designating the children's primary residence. However, the one contested issue is whether or not there should be a geographical restriction. So I'll take testimony on that in a little bit. The parents are in agreement that Mr. Mathis will have a standard visitation schedule with the children, and that he will provide health insurance through another source for the children. We have calculated his gross monthly income as a self-employed truck driver to be $4,000 per month after expenses. The temporary order set child support at $787 per month for Mr. Mathis, and we are in agreement for that child support to continue at that amount. The parties are in agreement that there'll be no retroactive child support for the child Braden, who we're adding to the order. And so we are just confirming arrears under the prior order for child support in the amount of $889.30 as of August 31st, 2023. And Mr. Mathis will pay that balance at $50 per month beginning September 1st, 2023. And the state's requesting that Mr. Mathis be ordered to pay the court costs from Dallas County. And so I will take testimony on the issue of a geographic restriction.
Very well.
The state calls the mother Ms. Irving. Will you please state your name?
Shaquilla Irving.
And Ms. Irving, what are the names of the children in this case?
Braylon Mathis and Braden Mathis.
And did you hear those agreements I just read out?
Yes, ma'am.
And as to those specific terms, are you still in agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
And what county are you and the children currently living in right now?
In Bell County.
Okay, and can I'm not familiar with that county, so where is it located? Or
In
what's
Killeen,
it close
Texas.
by?
Killeen, Texas.
Okay, and do you know where Mr. Mathis is living?
Bell County.
Okay, so you both live in the same county.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you requesting that there be no geographical restriction on where you can designate the children's residence?
What do you mean by that?
So you're requesting that the children, you can move the children wherever you want, even though Mr. Mathis still lives in Bell County?
Yes.
And do you have any plans to be leaving that area anytime soon?
In 6 months after my lease is up, I'm wanting to leave Texas.
And where are you wanting to move to?
I'm not sure at the moment.
And do you have a job lined up or anything specific that's moving you out of this, that will move you out of the state?
Yes. No, ma'am, I have family. I'm just
Okay.
starting over. I have family down there.
And what state is that?
New York.
Okay. And so just to confirm, you're requesting no geographic restrictions so that you can designate the children's residence anywhere?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll pass the witness. The state calls the father, Mr. Mathis. Will you state your name?
Otis Mathis.
And Mr. Mathis, did you hear those agreements I read out in the very beginning?
Yes.
And as to those specific agreed terms, do you still agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And on this geographic restriction, are you requesting that the kids' primary residence have to be in your current county?
Ma'am, not even the county, just the state of Texas, ma'am. I recently moved from Guadalupe County, that was San Marcos, Texas, and that was a 2-hour drive up here to Bell County. And ma'am, I had to spend $80 on a round trip every other weekend to go get my kids to see them, on top of the child support and on top of the insurance I'm already paying, ma'am. There's no way I can go to New York and visit my babies. I don't have the funds. So just in the state of Texas, if anywhere in the state of Texas, I can drive to go get them.
Okay, so you just want them restricted to live in Texas, and
That's all.
currently you are in the same county as them, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll pass the witness.
Then residents be restricted to state of Texas.
Thank you, sir.
The other agreements are approved. Good luck to y'all, and you're free to leave.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what did you say, sir?
I said
Hello?
residence is restricted to the state of Texas.
Why is the resident restricted to the state of Texas when he get to drive over the road in his truck? Like, okay, what's going to happen if I leave Texas? What's going to happen?
Ma'am, I'm not going to debate my ruling. That is the ruling announced. You have the right.
Why, though? Why?
You have the right to appeal.
Okay. Okay, am I free to leave?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, bye.
Thank you so much, Judge. Am I free to leave?
Yes, sir.
God bless you, sir. You have a wonderful day.